MGJ Production.
Hi you guys, today we are in my bedroom again. Don't mind that, I just don't feel like being anywhere else right now. It's just one of them days. But I'm going to be showing you the easiest method to applying strip lashes. And before we get started, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe, and hit that notification bell because I post 3 days a week. Sunday, Monday, that's a lie. Sunday, Tuesday, and Friday, every single week, you will be seeing this face. So turn your notifications on. Alright, now let's get started. So I'm gonna be using the Alicrown lashes in the style Rose. This is what they look like. I love them. It comes with 10 pair. And then for glue, I'm going to be using the Befalin Blink Twice Lock Eyes eyelash glue. And it's white, but it dries clear. And I will also link them down below. So let's get started. There's no music playing, but it don't even matter. There's no music playing, but it don't even matter. So first thing I'm gonna do is I'm gonna open this eyelash glue, and instead of putting it on the lash, I'm gonna put it on my eye. This helps it so you know exactly where you're gonna put your eyelash, and it just makes it a lot easier for me. I really be struggling, and I found this method and it works for me. So what you're gonna do, you're gonna pull your eye back so you can get as close to your eyelid line. Is that what it's called? That's not what it's called. Oh, see, I blinked. And you're just gonna outline where you want your lash to go, basically. Super simple. Obviously you have to get a glue that has a brush. You can't just try to put any type of glue there, because it's gonna be weird. It's gonna look weird. And try to get it as thin as possible, and then we're gonna let that one dry. I think I got it on my eyelash a little bit, but that's okay. So it kind of smells like Elmer's glue, but I like it for now. It works for me. So we're just gonna do the same thing to the other eye. And I'm not looking in the camera because I gotta look at myself for this. I don't want to end up with my eyeball on the floor or something. Knowing me, it's possible. And I still can't even see. Oh! Don't do that. That's too much. You're gonna put it exactly where you want your eyelash to go. I don't put it all the way down because I don't want my eyelashes to go all the way down. And when you see that it's basically almost dry, I don't use tweezers either because I just do what works for me. It probably would be easier to use tweezers, but I just don't. So what you're gonna do is you're gonna grab it. Oh, this is hard to explain. I'm very special when it comes to explaining things. Okay, you can't see. So you're gonna grab it like this. If you choose to use it, if you choose to do it without tweezers, you're gonna grab it like this. You're gonna just drop it right there on your lashes. I mean you're just gonna drop it right there on top of your eyelashes, and then you're gonna adjust it to where the glue is. I have already worn these lashes like 3-4 times, so okay, that bad boy is on there. And then you could clean up the glue or put some eyeliner on to make that look better if you would like. And now this one is dry, as you can see. I'm really terrible at explaining things. I'm so sorry if none of this is making sense. And then you're just gonna do the same to the other side. You're gonna drop it and adjust it. And make sure you put it where you put the glue. I mean, it won't stick anywhere else because you don't have glue anywhere else. And there we are. And now we are done. It's that simple. It's the easiest technique to me. I have watched so many tutorials and I'm just now finding out what works for me. And I have a lazy eye and you might not be able to tell right now. You might. If you can, just keep it to yourself. But yeah, that was it. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe.